Hello and welcome to this new case on Disney in this section in this course, Excellence in Marketing Case Analysis. So in this lecture, we will give you the Disney case to analyze, right? And the whole section again is to help you learn about marketing through detailed Disney case analysis. So let's take a look at the Disney case. It's a very powerful case, as you will see here, and a very reputed case. So take a look at this case. So that's the first page in which we have given you in 4 5 pages the details of the starting details, starting information about this case that you need to use. Not only that, but additional information that you will need to search on the web and ask anyone else that you think you need to do. So Disney has started in 1923, and since then the brand has been synonymous with quality entertainment for the entire family. And more information is as you can go and read here. Read in the next page here as you see here, and then another page, and the last page. So that's the case that you have. And what I'd like you to do is to read this case and answer a few questions in the rest of this section. So what are the analysis that you need to do? Let's look at the questions that you should prepare. The first question that you should figure out is what are the key components of Disney's customer value creation strategy? And this is not marketing strategy like Nike. It's value creation strategy. There will be some similarity, but there will be some differences. Then you need to answer in another lecture after you. And I'd like you to take this one by one. So for the next lecture, I'd like you to take the first question of the key components, and subsequent one. Then I'd like you to answer this question of how are these key components of the Disney's value creation strategy related to core marketing theories? What are those, and how is it related to that? Then in subsequent one, we would like you to analyze and see how effective had Disney's customer value creation strategy been and why. And analyze how does this strategy of value creation of Disney compare to the current marketing trends and technologies. And then go on to say what works out of this strategy and what needs to be adjusted for future and how. And lastly, then we'd like you to come back and tell us what did you learn? What have you learned as lessons from this case? So that's how the Disney case analysis will proceed. So what I'd like you to do again is saying again that read this case and prepare to answer the first question. So in the next lecture, we would answer ourselves what are the key components of Disney's customer value creation strategy, and that you can use to compare benchmark against your answer and see how much have you been able to come up with. Are there any things that you know that we don't know? Anything that you've learned that we have told you? So, like this, you need to figure out in the next lecture. So, thank you so much for watching this first lecture of Disney case analysis in this course, Excellence in Marketing Case Analysis. I hope you're continuing to learn new things, continuing to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture after you have identified the key components of Disney's value creation strategy and done a comparative analysis when we present that lecture to you.